Hello everyone and welcome back to Theme Park Explorer. Today's one take is Gloomy Wood. So of course, if you don't know already, this is inspired by Alton Towers Productions. But unfortunately his videos no longer are available to watch. So here's the only ride in Gloomy Wood, the Curse Alton Manor. Opened in 2023 and was once Jewel, before that the Haunted House. So it's very well themed. So the Coach House Confectionery is your food outlet with ice creams and sweet treats. You also have Attic Antiquities. I'll get you the board for the curse. Here it is. Again, it's rare that the Curse Alton Manor gets a queue due to its being such a high capacity ride. Here's Doom and Sons, a reference to an old attraction. You can see me. You have a seating area over here. But Gloomy Wood continues through into, I'll class it in this area, some people do, some people don't, into Haunted Hollow. It's nice because on a hot day it's quite cool around here. You can often see squirrels. They have lots of sound effects and spooky things around here.
That one.
Lots of effects around here, what you can stand on and set off. I think someone's going to demonstrate. Should we see if they work? Yeah, just about. Then down here there's some more. This is often used as just a shortcut to avoid Katanga Canyon completely. This opened, Haunted Hollow Walk opened in 2003, I believe. And the flume used to run around here. It's kind of the edge of the area now. Go back. See, of course, the things we've already saw. They often, there's some around here what talk to one another. It's a bird. And it looks very good during Scarefest and other events where it's open at night. Up there is a shortcut to Forbidden Valley, but we won't go that way because this isn't Forbidden Valley's one take. But you have things carved in rocks. But of course, if you can recognise this pathway, we're heading back to Curse Alton Manor.
Things are only
continuing up here, and fortunately where we're going to end we've just got another pathway. This area is quite small with it only having one attraction. So it's not too busy around here. It says that, it's trying to avoid people. So, going down here, leads us towards the edge of the area. You have the Gloomy Wood toilet, and as the monorail goes past. This is kind of the end of the area here with the Coca-Cola Freestyle, which is quite well themed. Thank you for watching this one take, and I'll see you in the next.